If you're thinking about putting 34s on your F-150 that doesn't have a lift or leveling kit, I would definitely try it. In my case, 34s fit my truck. I have a 2018 F-150 FX4 without a lift or leveling kit. I put on two 75/65 20s, which is equivalent to a 34-inch tire. The tires that come with this vehicle are two 75/55 20, which is equivalent to a 32-inch tire. As you can see here at the front crash bar, there's about an inch between it and the tire. And at the back crash bar, there's about half an inch between it and the tire. Just giving me enough room to have my wheels fully turned without rubbing going forward or reverse. So again, I'd give it a shot. I know online and those tire shops, they say that you can't do it, but in my case I could. So I would at least have a mount on one tire in the front and see if it fits. Hope this helped.